Hey, my shortcake minions! How you doing? As you can see, I just got out of the shower. I decided to do like a makeup hair to do what I do. So, here we go. Get this out of the way here. I use this from the dollar store. Very good. And I mix it in with this, the Fructis Garnier. Put it in there. Right there. And I shake this up real good. Get it here. Okay, so got it mixed up. Pink, yellow. Hair out of the tub. Mix it up real good. Hope you are having a good Monday, as I am. So I'm not really going to set my hair the way I want it right now, because I'm going to be doing my makeup. So, what I'm going to do, dear Lord, sorry. I don't know if y'all have had that problem where you get calls and it's recording. What is up with that? I mean, seriously. I mean, come on, guys. Now, as you see, I have no makeup on, so we're going to fix that. And my hair is not done. So, what I use is this. It is Fit Me Matte Poreless deal. It's for normal to oily. So, I made sure that it fits my skin tone. So, here, 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 here. And I don't use, see, I don't contour, and I don't see any reason to contour. That's just me. I don't have the little puffy things you put in. I just use my hands, or hand, to get that going. I mean, contouring and all that stuff is great. Don't get me wrong. But you're spending a lot of money to look a certain way. Now, my look is, I guess you could say, natural looking. I go for the more neutral tones. Next, I put on my eyelashes. I use Kiss. If Kiss, you want to sponsor me, hey, I'm right here. Kiss glue, plus the Kiss eyelashes. So, I'm going to put on my eyelashes. And you'll notice a transformation with eyelashes with a lot of people. I mean, a lot of people. And I noticed it with me. So, I mean, it's, if you want to use the more expensive eyelashes, go right on ahead. But the Kiss eyelashes, I find are freaking awesome. So I'm going to take this eyelash and put it on. Actually, I'm going to put it on with you guys. And you can use the tweezers. I use the, and part of it to press on. There we go. Marvelous, darling, marvelous. See, it totally transforms. I don't know if you can see from this side to this side. Now, I don't have the greatest lighting here, but it looks good. And I'll move y'all once I'm done with everything so y'all can see. But there we go. Boom. Then we'll put on the other eyelash. So I like the Kiss eyelashes. They're not expensive. They're like $8, $9 for a pack of 5. And they are freaking awesome. I love them. And the glue that you put on for them is not that bad either, to be honest. Not gonna lie. So let me get this on. And I would have y'all on my phone, but my phone wants to be a little terror today. Oh, there goes Princess. And there's nobody there, literally nobody there. So, hold on. I'll be right with you guys. Might need a little more glue for this one because I've used them about twice. And usually you want to use your lashes when you get them about 3 times. That's how long I use mine. It's about 3 days. And then you want to switch them out. So, now that we got the lashes on, the lashes, we're going to do the eyeshadow. And it doesn't matter what order you put your makeup on. I use the Glam Nudes, the Nude Awakening, and not just nudes. That's what I use. But today I'm going to be using the Glam Nudes, the gold. These two here, blend these two in. Those are my favorite to wear. I love how they look. Because I'm not much of for color. I don't know if y'all can see. Love it. So I'll do my hair afterwards. Get that going. Lashes. Let me see. Where I can see. Because I don't know what's going on with my tablet. It's acting up like my phone. And sorry. It's just sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Oh, y'all are upside down. I'm so sorry. Put y'all right there. What is in the way? Oh, that. Is it one thing, it's another. Anyways. Sorry. You can see the lashes. And this one's kind of messed up a little bit. There we go. Put y'all down right here. See that picture right there? Oh, this video is messed up so bad. I am so sorry, guys. Actually, this picture right here. Give me a sec. Come on, guys, I'll be right back.